Today we talk about how can you name smart cards on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. Then you click here on settings. You will find here settings. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just go down. You click here on profile options. So then you come to next step here. You come to smart cards. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as my smart cards enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.